Myself Chef Pradeep. I am making today a bread which is a twisted knotted bread where I am using flour, yeast, gluten, sugar and salt and some oil or any fat you can use. First I am taking a KitchenAid machine. There I am going to put my flour in it. There is 500 grams flour. Now I am taking yeast which is instant yeast, so no need to prove it. Then gluten and sugar. Then I'll give you a dry mix. Let's mix it together first. On other end, I'll put some water in the salt. Now I am putting this salt solution inside the dough. Take some dough and scrape it, put it inside. Start kneading. Now all the ingredients came together and form a dough. So now we are going to add oil into it. So the dough is ready. So we can see this dough is ready. Now we'll shape it in a round form. Shape it in a round form. So now I'll put this inside the bowl and wrap it with a clean wrap. Leave this dough for 15 to 20 minutes so that the dough will double in size. So after 15 minutes, dough is proof now. So it's fermented in double size. After first proofing, now I am going to do a knockback. So I'm going to take this out from the bowl now. A beautiful dough. Take the air out. Cut into half. Cut into 3. Each half. So I'm going to make 2 breads out of this. So now I'm going to do my knotting. Before that I'm going to make them long. So now see the knotting. So we'll lift this and put this inside. Lift and put this inside. Lift and put this inside. Okay, this is how I have to knot. Now turn it and bring it to middle. Press it. Take a grease mold, bread mold, and put them inside. And this is how we are going to do the same next one. After proofing of the knotted bread of 15 to 20 minutes, we are going to bake the bread at 180-degree temperature. As you're taking out from the oven, you have to use some melted butter. Apply it nicely all over the place. Now I'm going to pour the caster sugar on top of it. This will make the bread sweet, so you can serve this as a high tea bread with tea and coffee. So allow it to 10 minutes to cool it down, then we are going to serve it on a plate. So this bread is ready, which is cold also. Now I'm going to transfer it on my plate. It's a beautiful color all over the bread, nice golden brown color, good in texture. So must try at home. So it's a beautiful recipe and you can serve with anytime with tea and coffee. Very nice and soft bread.